Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bella. So today I'll be showing you guys how I got this Beyonce inspired hair look that she used for the shoot of Tiffany and Co. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So guys, I'm using the bleach bath method to get my basic color first. So I'm just soaking the hair in the warm water, not very hot, just warm water. So I'm using my VVK bleach and developer 40 volume. So yeah, I'm just going to pour in my bleach. And guys, I'm not measuring it, I'm not using any measuring tool, I'm just eyeballing this. So all you have to do while doing a bleach bath, just make sure your developer is like 4 times more than your bleach. Yeah, so that's it guys, and I'm going to mix this very well. I want it to be very watery. Then after doing this, I'm just going to pour in my warm water, then mix it all together, soak in my hair as you can see, then let it sit for about 45 minutes or even 1 hour, it depends. So guys, this is what I got after an hour of the bleach bath, but this is not what I want. I want it to be a little more lighter. Yeah, the one Beyonce had is kind of darker, kind of this shade, but I want mine to be a little more lighter. So I'm going to go in again the second time. So yeah, this is it guys. I went in again with another bleach bath for the second time, and this is the color I got. So I went ahead to like divide my hair into 4 parts, and I also got a little bit from the front part of my closure. I want this part to be very light, like I want the blonde to be so obvious, just like the one Beyonce has on. You see that the front part is very light. Yeah, so I'm just going to start from the front first because I want the front to process very fast. So that's what I'm going to do now. So starting from the front part, I'm just going to take a piece, 1 line out of the hair, and I'm going to use the balayage method. Anyways, I'm using 2 methods for this hair tutorial. I'm using highlight method and I'm also using the balayage method. Yes guys, yes. So I'm going to start my bleach from the middle part, as you can see. Then I walk my way to the sides, then I walk my way to the other side. You know, I'm just going to continue doing this until I get down to the end, like to the tip of the hair. Then I'm just going to go in with my mixture of bleach and developer. I'm just going to apply it thoroughly at the tip of the hair because I want that part to be very light guys, very light. So I'm going to grab another piece. As you can see, this piece, now I'm not going to use any balayage method for this. What I'm just going to use for this is the highlighting method. Yes guys, I'm using the highlighting method for this. So I'm just going to keep this. After doing my balayage method, I will go in and do the highlighting method for this. If you want to know how to make a highlight, just because I don't want this video to be very long, I'm not really going to show you guys, but I have a video in my channel, so I will leave the link up there for you guys to see how I make my highlights. So I'm still using the balayage method from the middle to the side, then to the other side, then down to the tip of the hair, and I'm going all in with the mixture. Here you have it guys, I'm done with this process. This is what it's looking like, as you can see guys. So I'm just going to go in with my shampoo and my moisturizing conditioner, then I'm going to wash this hair. I'm washing everything out, but first of all I'm washing out the bleach part first, and I'm using my argan silver shampoo. Is like get rid of every brassiness in this wig. So yeah. So I'm done washing this, so I'm going to go in with the purple shampoo. I'm just going to get my bowl and put in my purple shampoo, mix it very well. Just put a very good amount of that purple shampoo. So I'm going to soak in the hair, and I'm going to soak this for about 10 minutes because I want this process to be done fast. Yeah, but if you want a better result, you can soak it for more than 10 minutes. So there's this trick I like to do when I'm doing something like this. If I'm not going to use toners, so what I do is I use my silver dye, and I just pour in my hot water and pour in the silver dye, little amount guys, not very much. Then the next thing I do is I put in my hair. This is also going to help with to tone down the browsiness, and this hair is not going to be looking so yellowish and orangey. You don't want that. So when you're not toning your hair, I recommend this method. This is one of my tricks anyway, and I'm just sharing here with you guys. So yeah, this is what I do sometimes when I'm not going to use my toner. So yeah. So after conditioning this and letting it sit for some minutes, this is the result, guys. As you can see, they are just the same. This is the exact result, you know, even if mine is a little bit lighter, the brown, because that's what I want, but this is it. So yeah, guys, this is the result. As you can see, I'm loving this wig. Like, this is so gorgeous. The color is everything, you know. I just like it. It's not too loud, it's just so warm, you know. Alright, guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please subscribe, guys. Subscribe, you know. It's nothing. Like, I don't know, what are you waiting for, you know. Bye.